So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Majestic Exclusive 90 Baner, which is located near Lalit State, Baner, Pune and developed by Majestic Landmarks. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before getting into details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer and give you the bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So now let's talk about the project overview. Majestic Exclusive 90 Baner will be constructed on 1.25 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower. Each tower will be having ground plus 30 floors with 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK प्रीमियम रेसिडेंसेस। तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के लोकेशन और कनेक्टिविटी की। तो प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर पैन कार्ड क्लब रोड, ललित स्टेट, बानेर, पुणे। और अगर मैं ये रोड की बात करूं तो मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में जो रोड जा रहा है वो आपको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करता है बानेर गांव से। अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट राधा चौक विद इन 2.6 किलोमीटर, बालीवाड़ी हाई स्ट्रीट विद इन 1.9 किलोमीटर एंड बानेर डी मार्ट विद इन 1.7 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has luxurious amenities like gym, swimming pool, multi-purpose hall, indoor games and many more. And now moving forward to the carpet areas of the project, Majestic Exclusive 90 Baner has 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residences and 4 BHK starting from 2000 to 2050 square feet and 4.5 BHK starting from 2200 to 2225 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process. Project token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share you the actual payment and pricing schemes also. And we'll show you the actual location of the project, and then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the project teaser of Majestic Exclusive 90 Baner, which is located near Lalit State, Baner, Pune and developed by Majestic Landmarks. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and like, share, subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.